Which of the following is true about nominal data values? Nominal data values are scale of measurement, one of the scale of measurement. They are values that provide a name or identifier so that we can discriminate between different values. True computations cannot be done with these values. When the values assigned are sorted according to some set of non-overlapping categories, they are called categorical data. All of the above. Now the correct answer you judged, it's all of the above. In this measurement of scale of measurement, the first scale which we talk about is the nominal data. This is qualitative. First of all, there will be no numbers. First, I'll start with an example. That is, in whole world, how many are male categorization and female categorization. The way I started saying how many, it will not be a nominal data. But when we say male and female categories or qualitative data, then it becomes the nominal data. They has to be mutually exclusive. That is, male cannot have any overlapping with the female. And these are label categories. M and F are the labels being used. So let me tell you, nominal data is a qualitative data. There will be no quantity involved. Used to name or label variables. For example, I labeled it as M and F for male category and the female categories. For example, if we categorize more, a male with blue eyes, a male with a brown eyes, male with green eyes. So these are again different categories. And this is just a qualitative data, and we have labeled them as B, B and G. I have never told that this is 100, this is 200, this is 500. So this is just category, mutually exclusive, different groups, different categories and labeled categories without providing numeric values. And these labeled categories will never overlap, should not overlap. And for example, in GIS, these nominal data is used to distinguish between different features in a map. Now understand the nominal data like this. You have a United States map and where the groups are staying. For example, Hispanic is staying in the one area. So all the Hispanic is actually a category. So Hispanic, Black, Asian, all these are nominal data because they have separate boundaries being shown here. All the airport is a category. All the towns are category. All the mines are category. All the capitals are category. So we represent it on a map with a point. But this is a nominal data. Now again, the rivers, the roads, the boundary and the pipelines, these are all the nominal data because they are separate categories and they are labeled and they don't overlap.